Welcome to YouBeHome. Here's how to register and post your listing. Step 1. First, register or log in to your YouBeHome account by clicking the Add Property button or Start Earning Today. Step 2. Fill in your personal information, set a password, accept the terms, and click Register to create your account. Step 3. Log into your account using the email and password you just created. Then click Login. Step 4. Go to My Cases in your profile menu and click plus Add New to create a new listing. Step 5. Add a main photo of your property, then upload up to 16 additional images to the gallery. Step 6. Add a video link if you have one, enter your email address, and finally click Publish. Step 7. Your listing has been submitted and is under review. It will appear on the platform once approved. Once approved, your listing will go live on YouBeHome and attract potential renters or pet owners. Start earning today at youbehome.com.